I'm not in the mood to play with anybody! How do you do that? How do you do that? What the hell is going on? Please, with sugar on top. Pretty please.
Young Metro, don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. Beautiful morning, get the sun in my morning bed. Nothing in the water. Yes, guys, I take L's all the time. And bang, here it is. The Bape SK8 STA Street Hybrid Collection. Combining some traditional Bape design characteristics, these SK8 STAs are made up in an all-upper leather, some with metallic elements, some in suede elements, and a textured foam rubber sole. On all four colorways, the toe cap, eyelet roll, collar, and heel counter are pressed with an all-Bape camo overlay and has the 93 rubber panel on the heel counter. Now separately, looking at the gray colorway first, combines both patent and regular leather. The patent leather coming from the clean mint green Bape STA logo and the trim lining on the toe cap, eyelet roll, and heel tab. Out of the bunch, that clean Bape camo overlay really pops. Now onto the white colorway and black colorway with the same Bape camo overlay but with the duo chrome sheen on the Bape STA logo and trim linings. Now when the photos first dropped on these, I thought the Bape STA logo was just a patent brown, but with that duo chrome sheen, the lighting can make it look from brown to deep silver. Other design points is the suede heel tab and yellow Bape STA text logo stitching on the white and turquoise stitching on the black. Last up, we have the red colorway, the SK8 STAs that stand out the most in terms of color, aside from the green ones. These combine regular leather and suede. We got the red on the toe box, tongue, and both quarters, the suede from the Bape STA logo, trim lining, and heel tab. Well, there it is.
Here comes a new challenger!
These just came in. The Bape blocks the high. Now you can probably guess, these are the least popular out of the collection. But off top, the upper is all tumbled leather. Real good quality. With the Velcro strapping, we got the green color on the toe box, tongue, and quarters, the black Bape STA logo, and for the added pop, the red 93 rubber panel. Though it's the least popular, still a clean shoe. And of course, the sneakers come in a khaki colored dust bag, 2 Bape cards, and an extra pair of ABC camo green insoles. Like I mentioned in my Bape STA new collection video, dunk lows are cool, but if you want to switch it up from everybody else, the Bape STAs, the SK8 STAs, these is it. Well, there it is, the Bape SK8 STA Street Hybrid Collection. Which one you copping? Don't forget guys, the KAWS Tokyo First giveaway is still going on. Also, I have all the latest Bape on my website. Link in the description. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.